Hello, good morning. Solution of value of supply. Solution of value of supply of goods. That is over. Now, time of supply also over. Now, the previous class, the previous presentation, that is the live class, we discussed about the value of place of supply. Which one? Place of supply. So if you see this previous one, this was the structure of previous supply. I think this one is clear now, clear to all of you. In that last class that I given you illustration number 1 and illustration number 2, this question is illustration number 1 only. Remember, this question is illustration 1. This was illustration 1. Its solution. So that I make it clear to all of you that you need to write the question this one and your answer is here. Right, so that illustration number 1 question and answer, and illustration number 2, and this was the answer for that. So already we discussed about these two questions, that is illustration number 1 and 2, that is 75 and 76, that I assigned your continuous the number. Move to the next one now. In this class, in this the presentation, I will cover the 77 question, 78 and 79. So what about this question number 77 says that from the following information find the place of supply and type of tax payable. So this was a question to you. What you are saying that it was a question to you. I will read the first columns. Will you the case 4 cases are there. Then if you see that the location of supplier A, place of delivery of goods, that is office of Mr. B, and principal place of Mr. C. So this question is I will assign you answer and send the. You just solve this one and send the answer to me, a scan copy, because this question is exactly, this question number 77 exactly the question number 76, right? So only I am assigning you. So I will leave this, this question is for your homework, right? So exactly the same type question is there. So only I given a blank here solution that you need to send me the solution for this question. Then move to the question number 78. From the following information, find the place of supply and type of tax payable. Very important this one. Which one? Movement of goods. There is no movement of goods. What is the rule for no movement of goods? If there is no movement of goods, supplier place is the place of supply. Right? Supplier place or place of location is the place of supply. If you see here, what they given? So they given, if I take this one, this was your place of which one? Supplier place, location of the supplier, and this one is the location of the recipient, and this one is the location of the goods available. So it means these two are interrelated. Which one? These two are interrelated. This part, location of the supplier, and the supplier location goods is not there now. Where the goods are there? Goods available in the this place. So it means supplier place and location of the goods if they given, you need to count the location of the goods, not the supplier of the goods. So don't take the value of supply purpose, don't take the supplier place, right? You need to find now location of the goods. So goods location is Uttar Pradesh. Where the goods are reached? The goods are reached to Uttar Pradesh, right? So supplier of the goods is, in case of no movement of goods, I will take you the answer. So as I said that you need to consider only the location of the goods. Where the location of goods is there, where there is no movement of goods, you need to find the location of the goods or supplier place. Out of these two, you count the location of the goods only for place of supply. So you need to take now the same period, same the state comes here. If you see location of the goods Uttar Pradesh, place of supply also Uttar Pradesh. Location of the goods in Tamil Nadu, place of supply also Tamil Nadu. Why? Because it is a no movement goods base. No movement goods base rule is that supplier place or location of the supplier. Out of these two, supplier place, leave that one, location of the supplier you have to take. That is the place of supply. So place of supply, it is clear now because of the location of the goods given. Now to find the this taxable, now you take the supplier location. Don't take now location. Supplier location is Delhi, and where it is reached? It is reached to Uttar Pradesh. Delhi to Uttar Pradesh means what? It was interstate IGST comes. Now Tamil Nadu to Tamil Nadu only it is reached. So it was intrastate, so CGST, IGST comes. I will repeat you once again. For place of supply, you count the location of the goods. For tax liability, you find the supplier place. So this was the solution for this question number 78. Move to the question number 79. So what the 79 says that, once again same, the following is the information. You need to find the value of place of supply as well as tax payable. Supply of goods is assembled or installed at site. So assemble based or installation based goods. Now assemble goods are installation based goods. I think you know that where the goods are assembled or where the goods are end installed, that place is a supplier place. That is the place of supply. I think I will repeat you once again. In case of assemble or installation case, where the place where it is finally installed, finally assembled in the factory, that place is the place of supply. Now you see that these three are questions, means these three columns are there. The same three columns are like this here, 1, 2, 3, and you have to write the answer is these two columns. These two columns are the answers. These two are the answer columns. So question up to here is same. Only you have to write these two columns in the answer in exam. So location of supplier is Delhi. Registered person, registered office of recipient place is here, and where the installation is assembled is here. So we need to take these two places now. Now what is the rule for the place of supply? Assembled place is the place of supply. Now take this Uttar Pradesh comes here only same, Karnataka comes here only same, Kerala comes here because it is assembled site. These are the state assembled, the same state comes answer for the value of place of supply. So this was the answer for place of supply. Now you check now whether it is tax payable is IGST or CGST, ST. For that you need to find the place of supply. Place of supplier is where? Place of supply is here. So you need to take now place of supplier for the case. See, the place of supplier is Delhi, and supply place is here. Place of supply is Uttar Pradesh. So Delhi to Uttar Pradesh means what? It is interstate. So IGST comes. Then supply place is Karnataka. Place of supply also Karnataka. So both same. Then it is intrastate. CGST and Karnataka state are say SGST. So this was the answer for that. Gujarat is the supplier place. Place of supply is Kerala. So it was intrastate. IGST comes into force. So this was the answer for these questions. I think I covered the value of supply. If I solve the many problems, the answer is same. In case of movement of goods, you need to take the where actually the goods is reached end, that is a recipient place, that is a place of supply. No movement goods, supplier place. If location also given, leave the supplier place, take the location of the goods. If it is assembled one side, assembled means assembled place into the factory, that is the place of supply. But you have to find that supplier place is to be taken for the taxable case. Wherever you take the installation or movement of goods, any case, when you need to find this tax liability, for that you need to find the supplier place, right? So this is all about the solutions of the place of supply. I am not solving the more problems on this because this was the simple method is there. Based on these 4 or 5 questions, just you work out yourself that in the next class, that coming class, if it is possible to you to solve on the same kind of problems, if it is available from different textbooks or question papers, I will go through the place of supply only. If it is not available, then I will move to your last content of your syllabus, that is called custom duty. That I will start if there is no questions is able, then I will in the tomorrow class or in the next presentation I will go for the theory of customs. Thank you very much. You solve the questions and send the scan copy to me. Thank you and all. Bye bye.